Offloading apps on your iPhone 16 helps free up storage space while preserving app data, allowing you to reclaim space without losing important information. Here's how it's done. To begin, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll to Find and then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll through the list of apps and select the one you want to offload. Tap on Offload App. If prompted, confirm by tapping Offload App again in the pop-up menu. The selected app will then be offloaded from the system. Repeat the same steps to offload other apps on your iPhone. This process removes the app but keeps its documents and data. This feature is particularly useful when you're running low on storage, but don't want to permanently delete apps and lose their data. When you offload an app, its icon remains on your home screen with a small cloud symbol, indicating it can be quickly re-downloaded. When you need the app again, simply tap its icon to reinstall it, and all your previous data will be immediately available. This allows you to manage your device's storage more efficiently without sacrificing access to your apps and their associated information. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.